YouTube, what's going on? Kyle again from ePoolSupply. Today we're back with some quick fix videos on Pentair's Kreepy Krauly Platinum Pressure Side Pool Cleaner. Today we actually have the gray cleaner. We are going to dive in and start doing some fixes. Stay tuned. Alright guys, and we're back. So again, we have Pentair's Kreepy Krauly Platinum Pressure Side Pool Cleaner. We are going to show you guys how to remove the bottom housing on this cleaner. Really simple, just like you guys would think. You're going to flip the cleaner over, and as you guys can see on the bottom, there's only 2 screws. It's a Phillips head screwdriver, so you're gonna wanna make sure that you do everything with hand tools. We don't really recommend using anything to do with power tools, just because everything's plastic, and the minute that things get cranked down too hard, you take the risk of cracking everything. So these screws are not very long, really simple to undo. I like to just leave them on there, and while I loosen them both, I'm not trying to remove them. So just get them both loosened, and you'll actually feel the bottom of the cleaner kind of release for you, and then it just slides right off. So this actually gives you access into the bottom, so maybe you have debris in here that you couldn't reach through the actual slot on the bottom. Maybe there was something that popped through and got into other parts of the cleaner that you wanted to clean out. It is important to take the bottom off if you're trying to access the top of the cleaner. But that's your step, is you're just gonna go ahead and remove these 2 screws for it, and then you can actually replace the entire bottom cover for you. Make sure you guys check out the links in the description. We got a ton more videos coming your way on this cleaner. I'm Kyle with ePoolSupply. Thanks for watching.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Subscribe today if you haven't subscribed. Check out the links below, and we got a lot more content coming your way. Thank you.